a package from Takealot. Guys, do you have this problem with Takealot? You order like 5 items and then they keep on sending you the parcels one by one. Like you order 5 items, they'll tell you this item is ready to collect. You go and collect. They'll send you again, this item is ready to collect. Why don't they just compile all my items that I ordered in that specific order and then call me when everything has arrived? Then I come pick up. I chose a pickup point because there's something wrong with our address. So imagine now I have to be going up and down to Takealot to fetch parcels that I ordered at once. Like, make it make sense. So, but anyways, this is my parcel. Let me just unwrap it now. That's it. Just this, like, wow. I have let me show you. I have this one that I got. Like, this is my first ever. When I bought my machines, this is the weeding tool that I ordered. But I wanted, like, you know, a cute one, so I got the six-piece set, the craft weeding. Let's see. Here it is. This is cute. I actually don't know what is this for. Okay, so this piece tool remove tiny cuts. Okay, so this one is for removing tiny cuts. Finally, I have a scissor that is oh my god. Oh yeah. Choo 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 choo. Okay. And then this one. Wow. Huh? Why is it like this? Okay. Oh. Okay. And then I think I'll still use my, then we have this one. Okay. Lift the image. And then this one. Okay. I really love. I am so happy about my set. Like, I'm so happy about my set. I just cannot wait. Finally, I have like proper weeding sets, weeding tools. Like, I am so happy. Like, I am so happy. This is called this one is this one. That's a scraper. And then we have a tweezer. We have the weeder, and then spatula, and then the piercing tool. Then we have the scissor. Wow, I'm so happy, guys. Like, I'm so happy with my order. So from this to this, but this is the OG. I'll forever be grateful for this one. I am happy. Oh my god. Okay. Didn't expect something like this. Okay. This is what I'm excited about, the t-shirt folder. Now I can fold my t-shirts. Okay, now do you fold this? I am happy. I didn't expect this to be like this. I expected this to be like more strong, but it's like I don't know. Now I just have to have containers where I'm gonna put all my equipments because I am happy. Thank you, Takealot, for taking forever with my order.
How it goes, how it goes, how it goes, how it goes.